ma'ams.
Dignitaries are being escorted by the band troupe led by school captain Master Prajit Guge and Miss Nikita Zamre, along with the council members under the supervision of the head of sports department. A special welcome is being offered to the dignitaries by the students of class 5 and 7.
अतिथि देवो भव यह एक प्रसिद्ध भारतीय सिद्धांत है। इसका अर्थ है घर आया अतिथि अर्थात मेहमान भगवान के समान होता है। यही कारण है भारतीय संस्कृति में मेहमानों को अधिक महत्व दिया जाता है। घर आए मेहमान को सम्मान करना चाहिए, उनका स्वागत करना चाहिए।
I request the audience to welcome today's guest with a huge round of applause.
We are truly delighted to have a special tradition of ceremonial lamp lighting. Now may I kindly invite our esteemed chief guest and respected dignitaries to perform the auspicious lamp lighting.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
With each flicker of the flame, let us remember that education has the power to transform lives, to bring about positive change, and to create a bright future for all.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, respected dignitaries on the dais, parents, teachers, and my dear students. Now is the time to honor and celebrate the excellence, dedication, and hard work of each of our awardees who has demonstrated a remarkable academic achievement and commitment towards their studies. We are thrilled to honor their efforts today. May I request the chief guest and the respected dignitaries to do all the honor. The meritorious awardees for the academic year 2023-2024 are from Standard 4th. The first rank goes to Tanushka Dattatreya Gunale with 97.9%. I request the audience to show their appreciation and a round of applause for them. Congratulations. And the second rank goes to Shrisha Sagar Rudravar with 97.8%. Congratulations, Shrisha. Third rank goes to Ayush Ajay Rathod with 97.20%. Congratulations, Ayush. And the fourth rank goes to Samarth Jnaneshwar Dakne with 96.30%. Congratulations, Samarth. And the fifth rank grabbed by two students, and they are Nitya Vishal Pimple with 96.1%, Bhargav Rajesh Kulkarni with 96.1%. Bhargav, please come on the stage. One minute. Congratulations, Bhargav Rajesh Kulkarni with 96.10%. Now the meritorious students from standard 6 are the first rank grabbed by Sanvika Jnaneshwar Dusane with 99%. Congratulations, Sanvika. Second rank goes to Amruta Rajendra Gauli with 97.7%. Congratulations, Amruta. Third rank goes to Bhargavi Dilip Shinde with 97.5%. A very tough competitions among the students. And fourth rank goes to Swara Vijay Patil with 97.4%. A very tough competitions among the students. Fourth rank goes to Swara Vijay Patil with 97.4%. Congratulations, Swara. Fifth rank goes to Arya Sudhakar Kale with 97.3%. A single point difference among these four students. So give them a round of applause. Congratulations, all the merit holders. The school management is always encourages the students in every field. This year, the school management has added another exceptional feather to appreciate and honor the students of excellency in foundation classes who made significant contributions apart of their regular studies. And academic excellency awardees are from standard 4th, Gadekar Sarthak Rajkumar with 82.7%. This needs more concentration, dedication, sacrifice, and hard work to achieve their goal. Congratulations, Sarthak. From standard 6, Saurabh Ramesh Garale with 85.6%. Congratulations, Saurabh. Congratulations. Now the time to honor 100% attendees, and their names are Shaurya Jnaneshwar Talekar from Standard 4th, Swara Kiran Tandalskar from Standard 6th, Students, your commitment to being present and engaged every day is truly commendable. Swara, Ramesh. Congratulations, all the awardees. Now the time to honor the exceptional top performers in sports, the spirit of perseverance, teamwork and excellence that our athletes embody. They demonstrated the spirit of sportsmanship and resilience throughout the season, and they are Master Vedant Vinod Kale from Standard 7th, Master Vedant, yes. Master Virochan Ramesh Sinde from Standard 7th, who has participated in National DSO Netball Championship and represented Maharashtra state of Chhattisgarh. Master Virochan Ramesh Shinde participated in National DSO Netball Championship and represented Maharashtra state at Chhattisgarh. Thank you. Thank you all the dignitaries for doing the honors. Now may I request respected Principal Ma'am to announce special award.
Good morning once again to honorable dignitaries and all the parents. So I'm here to announce the best student award for the primary section. Every year we give this award for the student of standard 5 and standard 10th. The best student of primary will be from standard 5 and secondary will be of standard 10th. So this award is given to the students based on different areas. We evaluate the child related to academics, regularity, punctuality, behavior, and overall personality, and the child from which class he or she is the part of the institution. So this year there were 10 nominees. All the 10 nominees appeared for the written examination, oral interview. There were 3 rounds for the students, and the final one, the student who is selected as the best student for primary section is none other than Ms. Tanushka Dattatray Gunale. I request Tanushka Dattatray Gunale to come on the stage. I request parents of Tanushka also please join on the stage to receive the award of best student of primary section. I request parents to be there. I request all the honorable dignitaries to present the award to Tanushka. Tanushka's mother is there, Mrs. Suchita Dattatray Gunale. Ma'am is also working as in the ZP school at Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Congratulations to Tanushka and her proud parents for receiving the best student of primary section for the academic year 2024-25. Congratulations. I request Tanushka to share her views.
Good morning, respected chief guest, respected administrator ma'am, respected president ma'am, all heads, teachers, and my dear friends. My heartful thanks goes to respected administrator ma'am, respected principal ma'am, all heads and teachers for selecting me as a Student of the Year award. All respected heads and my teachers gave me courage and strength to develop my interest towards studying. They understood my potential and motivated me tremendously throughout the course of time. Today, I really want to dedicate this award to all my respected heads and my teachers. This award is your recognition, respected teachers. Secondly, I want to thank my lovable parents who stood by my side at all the times. Let me mention that I will never be able to pay them back for what they have done to my growth. This award is just a glimpse of my gratitude towards them. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my friends. My friends boosted my confidence whenever I felt low. Finally, this is an unforgettable moment. This award will always be dear to my heart. Whenever I will look at this award, it will motivate me to achieve more success in life. The road may be hard, but the results are priceless. Thank you.